Hello all, welcome back to EduArise. Today we are going to talk something about what does the word education means in life. Let's listen from one of the educational counselor which we are blessed to have on this platform today. She is the chief R&D person of the school Mother's Touch. Let's welcome Mrs. Shalini Bulchandani ma'am on our platform.
See, the meaning of the education has been changed. And when my mother was getting herself qualified at that time, only knowing English was a very big achievement. Okay, and when I was acquiring education, that time, getting distinction was a very big achievement. Now that I have a 19-year-old daughter, at her era, getting 99% is also very less. But remember one thing, in today's era, at the 21st century, what is very important is that the child should have life skills and the child should do something different.
Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening us with the word education now. After understanding this concept, can you please elaborate the ways to learn these life skills which you implement in your school as well?
See, I have learned something, when in today's era, what is very important is the creativity. And whenever I come out with an idea is when I am very relaxed, when I am not stressful. Okay, and I make all sort of mistakes when I am being bombarded with lots of tensions. So I think that if you want your child to be skillful, you should leave your child. Let your child be the way the child is. Okay, we are not here to mold them. We are here to remove their innate qualities, and that will come only when the child is relaxed and the child is tension free. There has to be no tension word with them. You know what? I want to tell you one thing. I have been noticing and reading the people who have achieved something in their life. They were very relaxed. So that if you want the child to learn some life skills, just let your child be the way the child is.
So, rightly mentioned, be relaxed, and there comes your creativity. Lastly, ma'am, being an educational counselor, what do you think when the child or any individual should decide which field is good for them or they should take a career path in that field? How to decide that?
You know what, ma'am? I have, as a career counselor, I have learned that, that the parents, if the child gets above 90 percentage, he has to be either an engineer or he has to be a doctor. We should not decide anything. What we have to do, see, we have learned about playful methods of teaching. So there has to be playful methods of deciding which career you have to choose it. And that has to start right at the early age. You know what? The parent should be the keen observer and see what the child loves to do. Expose your child to everything, but that does not mean there has to be pressure of anything. You need to do this. You must be seeing if the child has been taken to the drawing class, and then from the drawing class the child goes to the some different class, and there are multiple classes. No, just let the child enjoy his childhood, but in a very playful manner. Whenever there is a summer holidays, right from the class first standard, okay, you need to tell your child, come, let's go and see how does the doctor works. So take a permission from the doctor and ask him to be allow your child to be here for 2 hours. You can take him to an architect and just take a permission that please let my child be over here. So let him see how does the working goes. So you need to expose your child right from the class third, fourth, fifth standard, and they start automatically. There is a instinct which they have it, and they will and the things will fall in the place if they start deciding, oh, this was better than that. What happens is that our children, even though getting 99 plus marks, yet are not able to take a decision. So what, in the decision power, I remember, when my daughter was young, I used to given liberty to choose her dress, whenever we used to go to buy a dress, even though the dress used to be very loud or very gaudy or very dark color, I used to let her take the dress. Then when my relatives and her friends used to tell her, oh, this color is not good or this color is not this, then she learned through her mistakes. Our parents want everything perfect for the child in their life. Is the life this way? No. So let the child learn. We do not give him a chance to do a mistake.
Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening us and all our viewers with the concept of education in life, what it actually means, and how an ideal education system should be. Thank you. Stay tuned to Edge Your Eyes.